Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have iPhone 8 and in this video I'm gonna quickly show you how to get into recovery mode in iPhone 8. So it's very easy and simple. You just have to press volume up, volume down once and then hold the power button until you get into the recovery. But before that you have to connect a USB cable to your computer or to the MacBook. So this is very important. Without this you won't get into the recovery. So let's start. We're gonna keep the screen alive just to see what's happening. So volume up, volume down and hold power button for a while. I'm gonna keep the screen alive. And we're gonna hold this power button until we get into the recovery. Here the phone is booting now and we're supposed to get into the recovery. It's probably gonna boot again and there we go. That's how you get into the recovery mode on iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 7, 7 Plus, and that's how you get into the recovery. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.